Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn when order is placed on Gumroad, how we can register webinar participants in Zoom automatically. So let's take an example that you are an electronic expert and you keep on organizing the paid workshops for your engineering students. Now you want that whenever any of the student or the participant makes a payment on your Gumroad account, automatically the same participant should be registered for the webinar in your Zoom. But here the question is how to do this? Just because there is no direct connection between Gumroad and Zoom. So first let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is my Gumroad account where I have created a workshop named Digital Electronics Online Workshop. Okay. This is my Zoom account where I have created a meeting named Digital Electronics Online Workshop. Here I have just one registrant in this particular meeting. Okay. I'll show it over here. Yes, here we can find only one registrant. So now I want that whenever any of the participant makes a payment for this particular workshop on the payment page, automatically the participant should be registered here in this particular Zoom meeting. Okay. So I'll just go to the product page over here and I'll just open this particular payment page. Okay. And let's make a payment from here by clicking on this pay button. I'll just add the email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com. Let's add the mobile number over here. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith, street address as EM 23, New Market, city as Bhopal, country as India. I'll add the postal code over here. Okay, country as India. Okay, and these are the test card details. I'll just click on pay. Okay, the payment is getting processed over here. Okay, your purchase was successful. Okay, now let us check the Zoom account. I'll just refresh it. Okay, let's scroll down. And now here we can see two registrants in this particular meeting. I'll just click on view. Okay, and here we can find Adam Smith as a new registrant over here. So now here you might be wondering that I just made a payment on the name of Adam Smith for this Digital Electronics Online Workshop on my Gumroad account, and automatically the same participant is added as a registrant here in my Digital Electronics Online Workshop in my Zoom account. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between Gumroad and Zoom, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Gumroad with Zoom automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Gumroad and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect will capture all the details of the order which is placed on the Gumroad account, and using those order details, automatically the participants will be registered to the webinars in your Zoom account. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Gumroad and Zoom using Pabbly Connect. Here we are using two software applications for the integration. The first application we are using is Gumroad, which is an e-commerce platform where we can sell our products digitally. So in place of Gumroad, we can even use Shopify, Thrivecart, WooCommerce, etc. And the second application we are using is Zoom. So as we all know that Zoom is a video communication application which is used for conferencing, webinars and live chats. So in place of Zoom, we can also use Google Meet or Skype or Microsoft Teams, etc. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Gumroad and Zoom integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can find a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we are going to capture the details from the Gumroad. So open this trigger window and in the application name, let us select Gumroad. In the trigger event, we have to select new sale. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Gumroad account, navigate to the top right drop down, go to settings, select the advanced tab, copy the webhook URL above and paste it under the pink field. Click on update account details button and save it. Okay, so let us go to the Gumroad account first. So this is my Gumroad account. Here let us scroll down and we have to come to the settings tab. Click on it. Here we can find the advanced settings. Click on advanced and here we can find the ping endpoint. So we have to give the webhook URL over here. So we have to go to Pabbly Connect. We'll simply copy this webhook URL from here. We'll go back to the Gumroad account and we are going to paste the same webhook URL over here. Okay. Now we are going to scroll down and we have to click on update account details. Okay, so the account details are updated. Now let us go back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So we have to go to the Gumroad account first and we have to create a test payment over there for the sale. Okay, so let's go to the Gumroad account. Here I'll come to the products page. Okay, I have created 3 products over here, watch, t-shirt as well as digital electronics online workshop. So this is useful for us. So I'll just open this particular workshop and I'll show it to you. So here I have given the name. Here I have given the basic description, that is the date and the time and some more description about that. Okay. Here I have given an image related to the workshop. Okay. You want to add some more details, you can add it over here. Here we can add the pricing details. Okay. And after that, we have just click on Save Changes. Okay. I'll just click on it. Changes saved. Okay. Now let's go to the checkout page. Here, if you want to add some discount codes, you can add it over here. Here, I have just selected the payment form. Okay. Card holder name, along with that, shipping information is required. You can select all these details as per your requirement. Here, I have given the thank you note as thanks for the registration. Okay. Then we have to click on Save Changes. Once the changes are saved, we have to click on Share button. We have to simply copy this URL from here and we are going to paste it in a new tab. Okay. And from here, we can just make a payment. Okay. So we are on the payment page of the Digital Electronics Online Workshop. Now let's click on Pay. Okay. I'll just add the email address over here. That is Shikha Arya 25@gmail.com. I'll give the mobile number over here along with the country code. Okay. Let's give the full name as Shikha Arya, street address as E4 234 Rera Colony, city as Bhopal, country as India. I'll add the postal code over here, country India. Okay, these are the test card details. So I'll just click on Pay. Okay, and the payment is getting processed over here. Redirecting in 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, so the payment is completed. The purchase was successful. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that the response is received and all the details related to the payment are captured over here. Okay, here we can find the product name. Okay, I'll scroll down. Here we can find the email address of the participant. Along with that, the payment details, the currency. I'll scroll down. Here we can find the full name along with the address details of the participant, okay, and the mobile number. But here I want to give you an important information that this particular webhook will run for all the products which are available in the Gumroad account. But we want that this particular webhook should run for only our digital electronics online workshop. For that we need to set a filter. So come to this action window, and here in the application name let us select filter. In the select label, we have to select it from Gumroad and the label should be product name. Filter type will be equal to, and in the value I want the name of the workshop. So I'll just copy the name from here. I'll scroll down and here I'll just give the value as the name of the workshop. So here, if the product name is equal to Digital Electronics Online Workshop, then only this particular webhook should run. Okay, let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received status as success and the condition is true over here. So this particular webhook will run only when the product name will be equal to this particular workshop name. Okay. Now here I'll just take you to the full name of the participant. Here the full name is given as Shikha Arya. That is the first name and the last name all together. But for registering in Zoom, we want the first name and the last name separately. So to separate this particular name, we are going to apply text formatter. So come to this plus sign, click on Add Action step. In the application name, let us select Text Formatter by Pabbly. Here in the action event, we have to select Split Text. Click on Connect. Okay, here we have to give the text to split. What is the text we want to split? So we are going to simply map the name over here. Scroll down and here's the name. Okay. Separator, enter the character. Special characters are allowed, or the word separator to split the text on. For space as a separator, use this. Okay, so we are going to simply copy it from here and we are going to give the space as a separator over here. Okay. Now we have to give the segment index. So select a segment index value. So I want the segment index value as all over here. And let's click on Save and Send Test Request. The response is received and here we can find the result. Shikha and Arya, the first name and the last name are separated. So now we want to register this particular participant to a Zoom webinar or a meeting. So come to this plus sign once again. Click on Add Action step. Here in the application name, let us select Zoom. In the action event, we have to select Add Meeting Registrant. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and connect with Zoom. Authorization successful. And now the Zoom account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Zoom account. So I'll just take you to my Zoom account. Here I have created two meetings. Okay. So this is the meeting, Digital Electronics Online Workshop. If you want to create a webinar also, you can create it from here. So I'll just open this particular meeting details and I'll show it to you. Okay, so here I have given the topic name, when it is going to happen. I have set the timings. It is for the duration of 8 hours. This will be the time zone. Okay. Here I have given the registration as required. So until and unless I make this particular field as required, the participant cannot be added as a registrant over here in Zoom. So we have to make this registration field required. Okay. This is the meeting ID. And for the security, I have enabled the waiting room. You can select it as per your requirement. Okay. Video, host and participant video should be on. I have selected this. Audio, both. Okay. And let's click on save. So here the meeting is saved. Okay. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Here we have to select the meeting. So the meeting name here was Digital Electronics Online Workshop. So we have to select the same name over here in Pabbly Connect. So let us find Digital Electronics Online Workshop. Okay. Now here we have to map the email address of the participant. So we have already got the details of the participant from the Gumroad account. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay. I'll just scroll down. Here let us map the email address from Gumroad, and this was the email address. Here we have to map the first name. So we have got the first name from the text formatter. So we are going to just map Shikha over here. Last name, it is required. So I'll just map the last name as Arya. Okay. If you want to map the address details and city, country, you can map it over here. I'm just leaving it as blank as it is not required. Okay. Let us map the phone number from Gumroad. I'll scroll down. Okay. And here we can find the mobile number. Okay. Organization name, job title. I'm just leaving all these details are not required. Okay. So the number of employees, I'll just map it to 0. Okay. And in the comments, I'll just add it as registration via Gumroad. Okay. And now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. So now let us check our meeting in the Zoom account. I'll just scroll down. And here we can find 2 registrants. I'll just view these registrants. And here we can find that now the registrants are 3 over here. And Shikha Arya is added as a new registrant over here. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. I'll just close this window. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and we are going to simply save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we want to check this into the real time. For that, we have to go to the Gumroad account and we have to create a test payment on the name of some other participant now. Okay, I'll just copy this URL once again and I'll open it in a new tab so that we can make a payment. Let's click on pay. Okay, and this time let us give the email address as Kuldeep Gupta 11@gmail.com. I'll give the mobile number over here. I'll give the full name as Kuldeep Gupta. Let's add the street address as SP 18 Indus Town. City as Bhopal. Country as India. Postal code over here. Country as India. Test card details are already there. I'll just click on pay. Okay, the payment is getting processed over here. And here we can see the purchase is successful. Okay. Now let us check our Zoom account. Here we can see 3 registrants. I'll just refresh it. And now here we can see the registrants as 4 over here. So let us click on view. And here we can find that Kuldeep Gupta is added as a new registrant here in this particular workshop. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize this text formatter also, the filter, along with that this particular trigger window also. So in this use case, first we have created an integration between Gumroad and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details related to the new sale. Then using those details, first we have set a filter step just because the webhook is going to run only for a specific product. Okay. Then we have used text formatter to split the name of the particular participant because we required first name and last name separately for registering in Zoom. And at last, we have used all these details and we have created a new registrant into the Zoom meetings. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Gumroad and Zoom using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.